Hello everybody, welcome to Brown Spondon. My name is Momita Mishra and you are watching this week's video. So this video I am making because of all my customers and my friends always ask me that what to do if we receive plant through mail and it seems to be looking good, not good, yellow leaves, moss dried leaves, and root rot. What to do with them? So, today I will cover all these things in this video. If you just received a plant and you are worrying what to do with that plant, so this video is for you. Watch it. As I have told earlier that in this video I will cover yellow leaves, root rot, moss bound, dried up roots, all this. So one thing I will include in this video is that if the plant received by you seems to be nothing wrong, what to be done in that position, because nobody covers this one. I think looks fine, it's really fine, but ask me, it's not fine at all. How? I will show you. Many of you don't know about me that I run a plant studio in my home named Brown Spondon. I deal with many rare plants in my studio, and all these experiences I am sharing is gathered from there only. So I want to share my experience with you, that when I get the plants, what I do with them to rehab in their normal position. Going to scenario 1, that aroid plants if arrive to you in tissue paper or in moss bound, all seems to be fine. What to be done? So remove the packing first. Put the roots in a pot of water. See, I will showing you this plant. This plant came to me in tissue paper wrap. It was wet. I kept it, so it's now dry. Just you have to remove this packing and put the plant in a glass of water. So keep as it is for 24 hours, or if you want to keep it for more than 24 hours, just clean the water every day and keep an eye on the plant. And when the plant is ready to pot, see that you place the plant in a well drained soil so that it keeps the water out from the pot every now and then, and keep that plant in humid place. You can put it in cloche or a bag or a plastic bag in it. If you pot anthurium, means big leaf anthurium or like that big leaf plant, make sure that the humidity level always keeps the normal, because these plants needs humidity more than the normal plants. remember that anything in exotic species use a bag or a terrarium or a cloche. Like I have a monstera, I will show you. Monstera I have put it in a plastic bag, and it came to me before 7 days, and it already started sprouting its leaves. See, so its condition was very bad. See, I have just managed to keep it alive. In monstera, you need not to be put it in a glass of water for more than 24 hours. You can keep it for 12 hours also, and then you can pot it in well drained soil and maintain the humidity so that it starts sprouting its leaves. You have to wait for a while to see the improvements in a plant, but trust me, all plants will be okay with you. So let's move to the next segment of our video. If we get a plant in well condition but in a wet coco peat or in soil, wet soil, so what to be done? Keep the plant in warm area so that the water in that soil evaporates quickly and the plants recovers fast. Let it dry out for a week and keep an eye on that plant. Please don't water the plant. Don't remove it from the pot. Do not disturb the plant. Leave the plant in its own way. Okay? Don't try to repot in that time only. Keep it as it is came by mail and keep an eye on the plant. Now, if you get a plant and the plant soil is absolutely dried out like a desert dry. See, this plant came to me some days back and it's totally dried out. It's totally dried out and its leaf is totally damaged. So what to do now? Take a bowl of water, little water in it, and put this plant with soil in it. Let the plant take the water from down. Don't water it too much or it will get too much of water and the root will rot. So don't get too moist, don't get too dry. It will make the plant suffer more. After some time you will see that plant is taking the water. See, plant started taking water. So after it takes the full water in, remove the plant and place the plant in a shade place so that it recovers. And don't try to make the leaf cut off from the plant. If you do that, then the plant will die. Okay, let the plant rest for a week. Don't stress your plant. Don't stress the plant. If you do that you pot it in a pot and can't resist yourself, then it might die and it's not your seller's fault. So trust me, your plant will be fine if you don't touch it. Look absolutely fine with the position it came to you. So if you receive a plant in a bad condition, so when the plain mail arrives to you, just click some pictures of the plant and the packet and how it reached in your hand. Don't take it out from the binding or anything. Just take the pictures and send it to the seller. Talk to the seller how to recover it or what to be done with that plant you received in that position. So in my studio too, people send me this kind of pictures and ask me how to recover the plant. Maximum sellers, I think, face this. Shipping may be good, packing may be good, then also it happens. Do you know that many things may go wrong in shipping? So when you take the pictures of the plant, do contact your seller. Please do not assume your seller's fault, because so many things can go wrong in shipping process. See, this plant arrived me before 9 days. It took 11 days to reach me, and it's looking absolutely bad. Leaves are not well, and you can see a new leaf, new growth. I kept this plant as it is, its stem, and did not cut the leaves from this plant because it's quite able to go for photosynthesis in this plant. This plant is doing well. So if you receive plant in this way that leaves are totally damaged, please don't cut off the leaves, because these leaves can do photosynthesis and it works so well to the plant. If you do this, the plant may die. So if we receive the plant in really bad condition, in yellow leaves, droopiness, what we can do to recover the plant? It's need to be check the roots. This plant came with droopiness. See, the leaves are getting yellow and it's very droopy. So check the roots. This root is well, it started growing new roots too, but if you see a root rot, then cut the root from there and put it in a glass of water. I am not removing it because it's growing some roots from that part only, so I am not removing it. So one more thing, if I cut the root system of the plant, I can remove this leaf also, because if the root system is already damaged, so it will not give energy to the plant to grow, and if we cut the leaves from the plant, it will give energy to produce new leaves from the plant, so it will recover fast. I know it's productive, but actually it will increase the plant recoverness, So put the plant in water, pot it in until you see new root growth, and change the water daily. This will make the plant recover fast. So let it be there for couple of weeks, and it will recover quickly. So this was my experience in getting the plants and recovering it from various bad stage of plant meal. And if you have any question about how to recover or anything in your mind, you can ask me. I will try to answer your questions. So tata, bye bye from my side. We will meet in our next video. So please subscribe my channel, and tata.